Yeah. So Rohan asks, how do wealth management and data science work with each other? I.e., how does data science help wealth management?
Well, in a lot of ways. So in wealth management, there's a huge amount of data. Front office are the ones who are reaching out to clients to offer them investment advice. And how do those advisors make, you know, a data-driven decision of what investment product will fit their client based on their knowledge and experience. So data science help contextualize and make it easy for the advisors to understand, okay, for this client, then it helps build that story for them to act and be able to do their job, because there's a lot of data out there. And if it's not organized, if it's not presented in a form where people or the advisors or the executive can understand what is the data telling me, they need to be a technology to support it. And data science is critical on enabling that or giving that insight to the advisor.
Data science and wealth management, I think, is still a growing field.